So we're asked for the probability that the student does not play sports. So that's S prime. That's one of the ways of writing the notation. The other way is doing S with a little C up there. And then they told us, they gave us the fact that the student does have a job. So that's an event that we're told to happen. So we have a formula to help calculate this probability. If you're given some information, we're given that a student has a job, that part goes second after the vertical bar. And the probability that a student does not play sports, we can find out that probability given that they have a job. Finding the probability of both. Sorry, let me move that. And then we divide it by the probability of the bottom one, the probability of having a job. So we got to figure out what this is from the Venn diagram, then we got to figure out what this is from the Venn diagram, then we can divide them. Let's start with the bottom one because that's a little bit easier. The probability that a student has a job. Probabilities, we take the number that we're interested in, so the number of students that have a job. There's 28 that fit in that circle. And then we divide it by the total amount. So I don't have a calculator. 28 plus 6 here. Let me get a calculator. So we got 20 plus 8 plus 16 plus 24. There's 68 in total. So the probability, did I say that right? The probability that a randomly selected student has a job is 28 out of 68. That's what goes down here. So I'm going to use the division symbol. So this next one has to meet both conditions. So S naught means a person that doesn't do sports. It's here and here. Those are the numbers that are outside of the circle for sports. That's what the S prime means. Does not play sports. There's 44. It says S naught and J. It's got to be where the job circle intersects with those two that we just identified. Right, so this is S naught. J is this blue circle. So where they intersect is right here. So there's 20 people that meet that criteria. So there's 20 people that are S naught and J. And then the probability of a randomly selected person getting one of those, we divide it by the total number of people. And you'd flip and multiply these fractions, so you get 20 out of 28 because the 68s would cross cancel. Right? Flip the second fraction, multiply, and then you just got to simplify that fraction. That's 10 over 14 because it can divide the top and the bottom by 2. So that's 5 over 7. So 5/7 is our answer.